In this question, we need to arrange the given compounds in the increasing order of wavelengths of adsorption in visible region. See, for that we need to calculate energy first of all. Energy is directly proportional to field strength of the ligand. If the ligand is a strong field ligand, then the splitting will be more, so that the energy required for the electron to jump is very, very high. So energy is directly proportional to field strength of the ligand, and energy is inversely proportional to wavelengths also. So the field strength order of the ligand is ethylene diamine, then ammonia, then water. So the energy level order also same, and the wavelength order is exactly opposite to it. So water will be having highest, then ammonia, then ethylene diamine. So this will be the answer.